So I decided to learn Welsh basically because I've got the accent already. I come from West Wales, so Ammanford in Carmarthenshire. Growing up, I never learnt it in school properly, at least as much as I should have. So it was always a dream of mine to return to it and do the language proud. The best thing about Dysgu Cymraeg is getting back in touch with my roots. I've got a niece and nephew who are both first language Welsh speakers, and being able to converse with them, that's a dream come true. I practice my Welsh outside the classroom by trying to speak it as often as possible. Thankfully, I do have some family members who are first language Welsh. They have to go a bit slow with me, but they're very patient, and I think they find it very encouraging that I'm at least trying. So I always try to converse with them. If I'm with colleagues outside of the workplace as well, who I know speak Welsh, I just try to keep that up as much as possible to keep sharpening that skill. I found the structure of the course really great, really beneficial, having that sort of like weekly 2-hour session, being able to build on that, that's been fantastic in terms of providing that structure there. Yes, I found it great. The advice I would give to anyone starting their Welsh journey is ymarfer, just practice, practice, practice as much as possible. Really get those basics down, numbers, months, just those like foundational things that you can really take forward with you then. I think, if somebody told me that, it would really hold you in good stead going forward. My favourite Welsh word is crempog, which means pancake, and I'm not exactly sure why. Maybe it's just the sound of it. I just really enjoy that word.